Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please, if you are new to the channel, subscribe and let's claim our 1 million daily Cipher for today. So for us to claim our daily Cipher, we use international Morse code. But if you want to know more about international Morse code, you can download it from Play Store for easy understanding. So guys, subscribe and like. So let's go. You click on daily Cipher. Then our word for today is shard, and it's spelled SHARDS. So let's go guys. You start with letter S, and our letter S is 3 dot, that is dot dot dot. We move on to letter H, and our letter H is 4 dot, that is dot 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 dot. Our letter A is dot dash. Our letter R is dot dash dot, and our letter D is dash dot dot, and our last letter, which is letter S, is 3 dot. So you click dot dot dot. Guys, congratulations to us. We have claimed our 1 million daily Cipher for today. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to get my updates, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Then you hit on the claim the prize, then you take your prize.